If you're thinking about divorce or dealing with a custody issue, the first step for many people is scheduling a consultation with an attorney. And one of the most common questions is, what should I expect and how do I prepare? Hi, I'm Bryan Shaw. I've worked with clients across Gilbert, Arizona and Maricopa County for over a decade. And I can tell you that a little preparation going in can make that first meeting a lot more productive. First, know that the consultation is really about understanding your situation. We'll talk through what's going on, what your goals are, and what the legal process might look like for you. It's also your chance to ask all your questions and get a feel for how the case might unfold. To make the most of that time, it helps to come prepared. Start with the basics for any relevant documents you might have, financial information, recent pay stubs or tax returns, or anything related to the assets and debts. Bring those. If there are existing court orders or agreements, those are important as well. You don't need to have everything perfectly organized, but the more information you can provide and bring, the more specific guidance that you'll get. It's also helpful to think through your priorities ahead of time. What are your main concerns? Is it parenting time? Is it financial support? The division of the assets? Having clarity on what matters most to you helps guide our conversation. Now, one question that comes up a lot is, does it matter who files first? In most cases, no. There's no major advantage to being the one who files. Filing first doesn't mean you win or anything. But there can be some strategic considerations. For example, the person who files may have a bit more control over the timing and how the case gets started or where. In some situations, that can be helpful. But for most people, the bigger focus should be on making those informed final decisions and building the right strategy, not racing to file first. The consultation is where that strategy starts to take shape. It's about you getting clarity, understanding your options, and avoiding early mistakes. Here's the bottom line. You don't have to have everything figured out in your first meeting, but coming in prepared with the right information and the right questions can make a huge difference. If you're considering divorce or dealing with a custody issue in Arizona and you want to understand the next steps, please reach out. My team and I are here to help. And if this video was helpful, you can see even more resources at bryanshawlaw.com or right here on the channel. Thanks so much for watching.